Hey everybody, Grandma here again. Hey Layla, hey Levi, hey everybody else, Grandma PattyAnne here. Hey Connor and Carter and Kyle, welcome everybody. Today's story is Harold Loves His Woolly Hat. Harold loves to wear his woolly hat. Have you ever had a woolly hat that you wear? Look at Harold's hat. Even in the summertime, he wears it. He wears it when he goes to school. He wears it when he goes to sleep. Harold even wears his woolly hat when he takes his monthly bath. Look at all the other bears over here. Let's count them. I believe they're fishing to get food to eat. But let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bears. All right. When Harold wears his woolly hat, he knows he's a special bear, different from all the other bears. Then one day, a crow swoops down and steals Harold's woolly hat. Look, Harold no longer has his hat, and the crow is carrying it away in his bird feet. Now I look like just all the other bears, thinks Harold. How will anyone know that I'm a very special bear? Harold has to win back his woolly hat. He gathers up some wiggly worms and he says to the crow, "Let's trade." See Harold holding the worms? The crow swoops down and takes the worms and flies them to his nest. "Now please give me back my woolly hat," shouts Harold. See him here shouting up to the crow as the crow takes the worms to his nest. But the crow only replies, "Caw, caw, caw, caw." So Harold tries to make another trade. "Here are some tasty blueberries for you." The crow swoops down and takes the blueberries and flies them to its nest. "Now please give me back my hat, my woolly hat." Again, the crow just replies, "Caw-caw, caw-caw." "What a greedy little crow," growls Harold. "I'll never win back my woolly hat." Then he remembers his secret collection of shiny things. "Here you go, you mean old crow. I've got the perfect trade for you." The crow swoops down and takes the things and flies them back to his nest. "Now will you give me back my woolly hat?" Once more the crow only replies, "Caw-caw, caw-caw." There's just one thing left for Harold to do. He hides behind a rock and waits until the crow flies away. And then he sneaks over to the tree, climbs up, up, up to the tippy top, and sees, what do you think he's going to see? What do you think Harold sees up here at the tippy top? 3 baby crows. 1, 2, 3. Harold tucks the crows in tight, then quietly climbs down from the nest. "Even without my woolly hat," he whispers, I'm still a very special bear. A helpful bear named Harold. And look how he's helping the crows stay nice and cozy warm in their nest up there. And do you know what Harold has in his hand right here? He has honey. He must have gotten that from a beehive because I see bees right here. But anyway, Harold has decided that he's a very helpful bear named Harold. The end. I hope you enjoyed this story. I'll see y'all again. Bye, kids.